morning, class 10, SE trigonometry for 20 marks, part 1. Question number 4 for 1 mark. It is for 1 mark. It denotes 1 mark. Express sine twice A in terms of tan A. Formula sine twice A equal to tan A by 1 plus tan square A. But if there is tan to A, in the same way, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Cos twice A, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. In the same way, sec twice A, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 minus tan square A. Question number 4b, define angle of elevation and angle of elevation and depression at the same time. Although it is of 1 mark, I write 2 definitions at the same time to study easier. पढ्नलाई सजिलो होस् भन्नको लागि angle of elevation and angle of depression. First of all, angle of elevation. See, this is called the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is the angle made by the line of sight. Here line of sight say AC. The angle of elevation is the angle made by the line of sight with the horizontal or say ground when somebody observes a point or place above him or her. तलबाट मात्र हेर्दा बनेको angle. The angle of elevation is the angle made by the line of sight. The line of sight, for example, AC with the horizontal ground, suppose AB, when somebody observes a point or place above him or her. Somebody is here at A, he or she is observing a point above him. That angle is called the angle of elevation. For example, here theta. Example, in this case, theta. Alpha. But this theta is equal to alpha is equal to this alpha. Yes, they are alternate angle. Now, the angle of depression. The angle of depression is the angle made by the line of sight. Suppose PQRS. The line of sight in this case PR. Line of sight PR 1. Line of sight with the line parallel to the horizontal, when someone means somebody observes a point or place below him or her. In this case, example alpha. माथिबाट तल हेर्दा माथिबाट ग्राउन्ड लेभलको कुनै पोइन्टमा हेर्दा बनेको एङ्गललाई एङ्गल अफ डिप्रेसन भनिन्छ नेपालीमा. द एङ्गल अफ डिप्रेसन इज द एङ्गल मेड बाई द लाइन अफ साइट. सपोज पिआर with the line or ground parallel to the horizontal or parallel to the ground when somebody is observing a point or place below him or her. For example, alpha. माथिबाट तलतिर हेर्दाखेरि भनेको एङ्गल. एङ्गल अफ एलिभेसन बटम टु टप, बटम टु टप, अबभ. एङ्गल अफ डिप्रेसन टप टु बटम, माथिबाट तल हेर्दा. That's question number 4AB for 2 marks. 4A 1 mark, 4A, 4B 2 marks. For 2 marks, question number 9 ABC. Question number 9. 9A for 2 marks. Convert sin 6A cos 4A in terms of the sum or difference of sine or cos. So it is for 2 marks. Already written. Question number 4AB11. Question number 9ABC 2 marks is 16, 17, 18. 4 marks is solution. You have to convert into sum or difference. The question is this sine 6A into cos 4A. First of all, write half. 2 sine 6A into cos 4A. First of all, you have to write down or understand the formula 2 sine cos. What is 2 sine cos? Sine plus sine. 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. To avoid confusion again, remember sine plus sine, 2 sine cos. Again 2 sine cos, sine plus sine. Half sine 6A plus 4A, 10A plus sine 6A minus 4A, twice A. This is the required answer. Then I am going to write down the formula 2 sine A cos B equal sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. It is not necessary, but to understand, it is better to write down 2 sine A cos B, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Technique to remember, sine plus sine, 2 sine cos, 2 sine cos, sine plus sine. So half sine 10A plus sine twice A is the answer. 2 sine A cos B, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Question number 9B. Express sine beta by 1 plus cos beta in terms of the sum multiple of tan beta by 2. In terms of sum multiple of tangent. I say it is better to write down sum multiple of tangent of tangent. भनेको यसलाई tan beta by 2 मा चेन्ज गरेर भनेको. Solution, you have to change it. Sin beta upon 1 plus cos beta. Sin beta, half angle first of all. 2 sine beta by 2 cos beta by 2 plus 1. Cos beta by 2 is 2. Cancel 1. You should write down twice cos square beta by 2 minus 1. If there is minus 1 minus cos beta, you have to write down 1 minus 2 sine square beta by 2. Half angle formula, 1 cancel, 2 sine beta by 2 into cos beta by 2, 1 cancel, 2 cos square beta by 2 is cos beta by 2 into cos beta by 2. 2 cancel, cos cancel, and sine beta by 2 upon cos beta by 2, tan beta by 2, which is the required answer. Sine beta upon 1 plus cos beta is tan beta by 2. Beta into beta by 2. This is the sum multiple or half angle formula. 2 marks. Question number 9C again for 2 marks, that is solution. If 2 sine twice theta minus root 3 equals 0, find theta range up to 2 pi. If there is up to 2 pi, find out 0 to 360 degree. If there is pi only, 0 to 180 degree. But here it is written pi only, so 0 to 180 degree. Solution is this. Given twice sine twice theta minus root 3 equals 0. This is given. So RHS should be number 2 sine twice theta equal root 3 or sine twice theta equal root 3 by 2. All positive sine tan cot cosec. Add sugar to copy formula. Or sine 2 theta. Sine is positive. Sine is positive in the first quadrant and second quadrant. If there is minus, you have to write down third and fourth quadrant. Sine 2 theta is sine 60 degree. Okay, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Another sine 180 degree minus 60. Sine 180 minus theta, sine theta. Cancelling sine, therefore 2 theta equals 60 degree or 120 degree. Or theta equal divide by 2. 60 by 2, 120 by 2 degree. 60 by 2, 30, 120 by 60. Therefore, the value is 30 and 60 degree. In this case, 30 and 60 degree only. Up to 180 degree. Or you can, if you add 180 degree, the answer becomes long. 40 and 60 only. In this case, 2 theta is 60 and either 60 or 120. First and second quadrant. Question number 16. Question number 16, evaluate sine 20, sine 30, sin 40, sin 80 degree. Or sometimes the question can be changed. Prove that sin 20, sin 30, sin 40, sin 80 equal root 3. If you have to write down, prove that something equal root 3, you have to take LHS. But here the question is evaluate. You don't need to write down LHS. Yeah, LHS लेख्नु पर्दैन किनभने evaluate भनेको find the value of. What is the value of this? Directly you can write down equal without LHS. Sin 30 half sin 40 into sin 80 degree. Value of sin 30. See, 1 by 2 sin 20 right here, and then remaining is this 2. What to write? 2 sin 80 into sin 40 degree. You can write sin 40 into sin 80 also, but it is better to write down bigger angle. पहिला ठुलो अनि सानो लेख्दा one step कम हुन्छ. To reduce one step, I have written 2 sin 80, sin 40. Now, what you can do? Can you write 1 by 2 here? 1 by 2, one step, just one step. First of all, you write down half sin 20 degree. This is half sin to 20 degree. Then half and 2 sin 80 into sin 40 degree. You half here also, half sin 20 degree. Again half into 2. 2 to cancel. Now 1 by bracket of 2 to 4. 1 by sin 20 degree into 2 sin A sin B. Formula cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Formula. You have to write down the formula if you need. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal twice sin A sin B. See, this is a very long question. Long question. 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 1 by 4 sin 20 degree cos 40 minus cos 120 degree. 1 by 4 sin 20 degree cos 40 degree minus cos 120 is again minus half. Now remove the bracket, this into this. 1 by 4 sin 20 into cos 40 degree. Minus minus plus. See, 1 by 8 sin 20 degree. Minus into minus plus. See, 1 by 4 is written as 1 by 8 and 2 sin 20 into cos 40 degree. This is separate. Sin 20 degree. 1 by 8. You can cancel 2 for 8. 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B plus 1 by 8 sin 20 degree. 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here you have to write down sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B. 1 by 8 sin 60 degree 20 plus 40 plus sin minus 20 degree 1 by 8 sin 20 degree. 1 by 8 sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 plus sin minus A is minus sin A plus 1 by 8 sin 20 degree. See, what I have written, sin 20, sin 30 value, half sin 20 degree, again half into 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, sine 20. 2 sine A sine B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B formula. 1 by 4 sine 20, 80 minus 40. 80 plus 40, same, minus minus, cos 120 minus half, bracket off, multiply this into this into this, minus minus plus, 4 into 2, 8, 1 by 8. 1 by 4 is 1 by 8 into 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 sine A cos B, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, same, sine 20 plus 40, 60, 20 minus 40, minus 20, sine minus A is minus sine A, formula, because sine minus theta equal minus sine theta, all negative except cos and sec. Cos minus A, cos A, sec minus A, sec A, others negative. All सबैमा negative हुन्छ, sec र cos बाहेक. Now continue. After this, 1 by 8 root 3 by 2 plus minus minus sine 20 plus 1 by 8 sine 20. Now this into this, root 3 by 16 minus 1 by 8 sine 20 plus 1 by 8 sine 20 is cancelled, root 3 by 16 answer. If the question is 16 sine 20 sine 30 sine 40 sine 80, the answer is root 3. But the here two formulae are needed. One formula, 2 sine A sine B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Another formula, 2 sine A cos B sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Another, sine minus A equal minus sine A. Other formula, sine 30 sine 60 root 3 by 2 cos 120 minus half sine 120 is root 3 by 2. You have to write product into sum or difference, or into like plus minus value. Question number 16. Now, question number 17. Question number 17 is as follows. Question number 17. Conditional. If A plus B plus C equal pi radian, prove that sine square A minus sine square B plus sine square C equal twice sine A cos B sine C. See, left side sine square A sine square B sine square C, right side sine A cos B sine C, single angle. Right side में A B C छ, A by 2 भयो भाइ यहाँबाट लिने. See the right side is 4 marks or 4 marks. What is the solution? Without wasting time, you have to solve it. A plus B plus C equal pi radian, or A plus B equal pi minus C. See the A, B, C, take sine and cos. Taking sine, cos, we get first sine A. Sine A plus B equal sine pi minus C. Sine 180 minus A, sine A. See. Second quadrant, sine positive, cos. Cos A plus B equal cos pi minus C minus cos C. Second quadrant, cos is negative. If plus cos A plus B equal minus cos C, then you can change the sign, minus cos A plus B equal plus cos C, changing the sign. Now take LHS, left hand. Now take left hand side, sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C. Here you have to write down the derived formula. First formula is, you have to write down 2 cos theta equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Remember this. Sometimes cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. But in this case, you have to remember this formula, cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So after deriving, you can write sin square A equal 1 minus cos twice A by 2. Derived formula from this, minus sin square B 1 minus cos twice B by 2 plus sin square C. See, there is sin C, there is no sin, there is also sin C. Yes, sin C, sir, यहाँ पनि sin C छ, यसलाई चेन्ज नगर्ने. Now what we do, 1 by 2 just separate, 1 by 2 minus cos twice A by 2 plus, see, plus minus, minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus cos twice B by 2 plus sin square C. What is the formula? The formula is, here the formula is, because cos 2 theta equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From this formula, you can derive cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That means 2 sin square theta equal 1 minus cos 2 theta, and dividing by 2, you can get sin square theta equal 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. These 2 and these 2 are different. Coefficient, this is multiple of 2. Now half cancel. Remaining is half cos 2b minus cos 2a plus sin square c. Half is half. Cos a minus cos b is 2 sin b plus a by 2. 2b is, suppose this is c, this is d. Cos c minus cos d is 2 sin d plus c by 2. d plus c by 2. Suppose this is 2b is a and 2a is b. Cos a minus cos b, 2 sin b. पछाडिबाट ल्याउने 2 sin b plus a by 2 into sin b minus a by 2 plus sin square c. What is the formula? Cos a minus cos b equal 2 sin b plus a by 2 into sin b minus a by 2, which I am going to write down. Also make the condition a plus b plus c equal pi, take sin a plus b equal pi minus c, take sin a plus b sin c, cos a plus b minus cos c, minus cos a plus b cos c. Left hand side, sin square a, square लाई हटाउनु पर्छ. Sin square a is 1 minus cos twice a by 2, sin square b 1 minus cos 2b by 2, sin square c same. Now separate the fractions, half cancel, take half common, cos 2b minus cos 2a, cos a minus cos b, 2 sin b plus a by 2 into sin b minus a by 2, sin square same. What is left? Now 2 cancel. This 2 and this 2 cannot be cancelled. Now simplifying, you will get sin a plus b into sin a minus b plus sin square c. What is the formula? I have written the formula, cos a minus cos b equal 2 sin b plus a by 2 into sin b minus a by 2. Your bracket here also bracket. Cos A minus cos B, 2 sin B plus A by 2, sin B minus A by 2. Already proved. Sin A plus B is sin C, already proved. Sin A minus B plus sin square C. Now sin C common. Take sin C common in this case. What is left? Sin A minus B plus sin C is left. Sin C, sin A minus B plus sin C is already proved sin A plus B. यसलाई अगाडि ल्याउनु पर्छ. sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. Plus is commutative. यहाँ minus भएपछि अगाडि ल्याउनु. That is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal 2 sin A cos B. Technique, sin plus sin, 2 sin cos. Now 2 sin A cos B sin C, right hand side, proved. Here first step, A plus B equal pi minus C, take sin and cos and use the formula sin square A equal 1 minus cos twice A by 2. And another formula, cos A minus cos B, 2 sin B plus A by 2, sin B minus A by 2. Another formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 2 sin A cos B. In this way, you can prove this conditional proof. This one is called conditional proof. Properties of triangle A plus B plus C equal 180 degree or pi radian. Sometimes 200 grade also, remember. Now, the last question for today is question number 19. Question number 18 finished. Question number 16, 17. Question number 18 left. I write the question. From a point at the ground in front of a tower, the angles of elevation of the top and the bottom of a tower are observed to be 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Bottom of flag step 6 meters. Sorry, in one question. I am writing question. From a point at the ground in front of a tower, the angles of elevation of the top and bottom of a flagstaff, 6 meter high, situated at the top of a tower are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower and the distance between the base of the tower base of the tower and the point of observation. The point of observation. See, since the question is a little bit long, from a point at the ground in front of a tower, the angles of elevation of the top and bottom of a tower, of top and bottom of a flagstaff 6 meter high situated at the top of a tower are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower and distance between the base of the tower and the point of observation. The question is a little bit long. यहाँ के बुझ्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि एउटा ग्राउन्ड बनाउनु पर्यो यसमा यो टावर छ एकजना मान्छे यहाँ छ यसले के देख्छ भन्दा यस्तो मान्छेले फ्रम अ पोइन्ट एट द ग्राउन्डबाट हेर्छ यहाँबाट ग्राउन्ड इन फ्रन्ट अफ अ टावर द एंगल of elevation of the top and bottom of flagstaff 6 meter high situated at the top of a tower. टावर को टॉप में यो टावर हो सपोज ए बी ग्राउंड सी बी सी इज अ टावर सपोज इट इज अ टावर एंड above it there is a flag staff यो भन्दा माथि फ्ल्याग स्टाफ छ ए बी सी डी फ्ल्याग स्टाफ 6 मिटर हाई यो फ्ल्याग स्टाफ छ यहाँबाट हेर्दा टॉप में 60 डिग्री बॉटम में 45 डिग्री देखाउँछ बॉटम 45 डिग्री टॉप 60 डिग्री एंगल देखाउँछ यसरी फाइन्ड द हाइट अफ द टावर means this one and distance between the base of the tower and the point of observation. जहाँ मान्छे यहाँ छ टावर यो छ टावर भन्दा माथि सिडी 6 मिटर हाई फ्ल्याग स्टाफ छ यहाँबाट फ्ल्याग स्टाफको टपमा एंगल अफ एलिभेसन 60 डिग्री बटम 45 डिग्री हाउ टू राइट डाउन द ल्याङ्ग्वेज इज दिस लेट AB be the ground BC a tower and CD a 6 meter high flag staff on it means on the top of the tower 6 meter high is a flag staff. What is given? The angles are as follows. Angle BAC, angle of elevation 45 degree bottom. Angle BAD equal angle of elevation of the top, angle of elevation of the bottom. First of all, you have to write down the relation between AB and BC in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, lower triangle, tan 45 degree equal BC by AB. Tan theta P by B. Tan 45 degree is 1 BC by AB. Therefore, BC equal AB, equation number 1. From the triangle ABC, find the relation between BC and AB. Tan 45 BC by AB, P by B, 1 equal BC by AB, cross multiply BC equal AB. In triangle ABC, AB and BC are equal. Now, take triangle ABD, but don't be confused. Don't take triangle ACD because ACD is not a right angle triangle. ABC line, ABD line. Now take another triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree equal BD by AB, P by B. Tan 60 degree equal BD by AB. Now, I'm going to draw. Remember the relation BC equal AB. tan 60 degree equal BD by AB. Now again I am going to draw A, B, C, D, 45 degree, 60 degree. Only this much is 6 meter. 6 meter high. 6 meter high go flag stand. This is called the flag stand and this is called the tower. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree equal BD by AB. Value of tan 60 degree is root 3. Remember root 3. BD can be written as BC plus CD upon AB. AB is AB. But you can write AB equal BC as well. AB like BC will leख्नु from equation 1. From equation 1, AB equal BC. So AB को ठाउँमा BC लेखिदिएको. BD is BC plus CD whole parts axiom. Now cross multiply root 3 BC equal BC plus CD or root 3 BC minus BC. Like term, BC like term, CD or BC common root 3 minus 1, CD value 6 meter. Or you can write unit at last, or BC equal 6 by root 3 minus 1. 6 by root 3 minus 1 is 0.732. Now use a calculator. By using a calculator, okay, if you don't want root 3 minus 1 directly, without writing 0.732, I just show you 6. 6 divided by, write bracket root 3 minus 1 bracket of, then equal to 8.196. 8.196 meter. How you do the operation? 6 divided by root 3 minus 1 bracket, then only you can write this without opening the bracket. Like root 3 minus 1 like direct गर्ने तरिका. Again 6 divided by bracket root 3 minus 1 bracket close, then equal to 8.196, or 6 divided by 0.732, that is also 8.196. BC equal 8.196. Therefore AB is also equal to BC equal 8.196 meter. So what is the height of the tower? Height of the tower BC equal 8.196 meter. Distance of A from B, that is AB, is equal to 1.196 meter. Answer. Height is 8.196. Distance is also 8.196 meter. But you have to remember angle of elevation भनेको bottom to top, माथितिर हेरेको भन्ने अर्थ बुझ्नुपर्छ. See, read the question once or twice and first of all draw the diagram properly, and then you can solve by taking the triangle ABC. First time, find the relation between AB and BC. AB equal BC, tan 45. Take triangle ABD. Find the relation between BD and AB. Tan 60 degree root 3. BD is BC plus CD. CD is 6 meter. Write AB equal BC. Put AB equal, AB को ठाउँमा BC लेख्ने. BC left side. CD on right side. CD value 6. BC bracket root 3 minus 1. BC cannot be, BC काट्न पाइदैन. There is root 3. Take BC common, root 3 minus 1, 6. BC equals 6 upon root 3 minus 1. Technique is 6 divided by bracket root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8.196. यसै गर्ने. So height of the tower BC equal 8.196 meter. Distance of the point of observation A from the foot or base B of the tower BC equal 8.196. BC को tower को height 8.196, distance means 8.196 meter. At last, you should write down the SI unit meter answer. This much for today. Thank you.